This vacuum looks small, almost too small to be useful. So when people say it's powerful enough for car detailing, that sounds hard to believe. Because most compact vacuums fail where it matters most: tight spaces, seat gaps, and stubborn dirt. So we tested the Fanttik V8 Apex in real car conditions to see if this slim design is actually an advantage or just a limitation. First impression, it's different. The slim shape immediately stands out. Unlike bulky handheld vacuums, this one is designed to go where others can't. But design alone doesn't clean your car. Performance does. So let's put it to the test. Test number 1. Tight spaces. We started with the hardest area: deep seat gaps. This is where most vacuums struggle. Not because of weak suction, but because they simply can't reach properly. And this is exactly where the Fanttik changes things. The slim body and narrow nozzle make it incredibly easy to get into tight spaces. Instead of fighting the vacuum, you're actually able to control it. And that makes a big difference. Test number 2. Everyday dirt. Next, we tested dust, crumbs, and small debris across seats and surfaces. And here it performs exactly how you'd expect from a modern handheld vacuum: quick, clean, and efficient. Most dirt is picked up in a single pass, making it ideal for regular maintenance. Test number 3. Pet hair and heavy dirt. Now this is where size becomes a factor. On light pet hair, it works well, but for deeply stuck hair or heavier debris, it takes more effort. Not because it's weak, but because it's designed for precision, not heavy-duty cleaning. Now, here's what stands out after testing. What we liked. Slim design actually improves control. Excellent for tight spaces and detailing, lightweight and easy to use, great for quick cleanups. What could be better? Not ideal for deep cleaning or heavy dirt, small dustbin limited battery for longer sessions. So, is the Fanttik V8 Apex worth it? If your main goal is cleaning tight spaces and keeping your car interior clean regularly, this is one of the smartest designs you can get. But if you need something for heavy-duty cleaning, you'll need a more powerful option. If you want to check the latest price, or see more details, the link is in the description below. And if you're deciding between this and other vacuums like Shark or Bissell, make sure to watch our full comparison video next. Because sometimes, it's not about how powerful a vacuum is, it's about how well it fits the job.